welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make shampoo no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification subscribe to my last week's video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make shampoo slime. So the ingredients guys to make this slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm just using the Suave one. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so I'm first going to get out my bowler plate. I'm going to get adding the shampoo into the bowl. The more shampoo you add is how much slime you will get. So it looks like just enough. And I love the color and the smell of this one. Suave is one of my favorite shampoos ever to make slime with. And now I'm just going to get mixing it up. That looks like just enough mixing, and I mixed it for about 2 minutes, and as you can tell, it's not sticky, but I want it to be stretchy and holdable a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator. Only the refrigerator will work for this, and I'm going to put it into the fridge for about 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out, look at it, make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the slime. I mixed it up a lot, so I'm going to get mixing it a little bit more. So I'm not sure if it's done all the way. But here it is. I can see that there's like some separation in here from maybe like the soap. But let me mix it up for another minute. Alright, so this kind of made a slime texture. I don't know if you can tell in there. There's like some thicker parts of the soap in there. But it kind of made a slime. I'm not really sure. It's like really runny, but it kind of made a slime. Like, I'm not mad about it, but it's like, it's not really holdable like I wanted it to be. So I think I'm going to say this was a fail on my part, but I did make a backup one just to show you guys what it's just like if you leave it in the fridge for a little bit. So this is what happens if you leave it in the fridge for a little bit. It's still super runny, but it kind of makes a cool slime texture, as you can tell. But this really only works if you leave it in the fridge for more than like 2 hours. That's why I recommend leaving your slime in the fridge for probably 2 to 3 hours and just checking on it every 30 minutes. But this was kind of a win-win for me. It might work better for you guys, so please put it in the comments down below if this recipe worked for you. For me, it was kind of a win-win. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If this recipe worked for you, please put it in the comments down below. If it didn't, comment down below and I'll try to get back with you and try to figure out some ways to make the slime work better for you. But remember, check out my slime Etsy shop. Everything is 40% off. Check out my Instagram, TikToks, all of that will be linked in the description box down below. But yeah, remember guys, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!